What's up guys, Matt with Alligator Performance, and here to announce that we are now carrying Rolling Big Power's full line of wheels and accessories. If you're looking to roll big and ball out on some 28 by 16s or some 24 by 14s, or if you want something that's not quite as big but still has that nice stance and that aggressive look that you want, check out their 22 or their 20 by 14 one-piece and forged wheels. Now, if you're a little bit more on the conservative side and don't necessarily need something that large, they also carry 20 by 9 one-piece wheels as well to kind of complete whatever truck configuration that you have. Now, if you're looking to roll with the skyscrapers, check out the RBP Max suspension lift kits. But don't expect anything less than a 10-inch lift kit because they don't call it Rolling Big Power for no reason. Now, to kind of complete that look, RBP offers a range of accessories from grills to mud flaps to exhaust tips, fuel door covers, mesh tailgate covers, pretty much anything that gives you that style and that brand that you're looking for. Now, if you're looking for that Rolling Big Power style, hit us up or check out our website at alligatorperformance.com.